Pwede na?
Yes.
Yes! What na gagawin natin?
Yan.
We're going to what? To cut the photos.
Yes.
Or pictures na. And then, ang gagawin natin, ididikit natin dun sa assignment mo yon si school. Ipapasa mo sa Monday kay teacher, ha?
I am ready.
Okay. Very good.
I'm ready.
Alright. Okay, wait lang. Okay? Nakita mo yung line na black? You have to cut it, ha? Kailangan pantay yung pagkakat mo doon sa black.
Okay.
Okay, very good.
I'm not big.
Be careful, ha? Okay. Yan. Oh, be careful, ha? Follow the line.
Okay.
Hindi pantay. Yan. Kailangan yung pagka-cut mo nasa labas yung scissor. Kailangan yung cut mo nasa labas ng black, ha?
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oops, not yet. Not yet. Finish the line. Finish mo yung line mo na black. Alright. Okay. Next, paano ikot mo ngayon yung paper?
Okay.
Ayan, dyan mo naman siya hawak. Ayan. Sige, okay lang yan. Wala naman siyang lina. Sige, dire-diretso. Very good. O, yan. Para madali mo siyang hawakan. Dito ka na pag ganyan ka na. Ganyan. Careful, ha?
Yes. Now cut that. Oops.
Oops.
Careful.
Careful.
Good job.
Uh-oh.
So nice.
Isa lang. Isa.
Okay.
Okay.
Or si
Tapos, ito, lagay mo rito.
Kitty.
This one.
What was that?
Paano yung kamay?
What was that?
A horse.
Tagla.
Tigidig.
That doesn't run.
Oo, paano yung kamay? Yan. Diyan lagi ang kamay. Dito yung gunting. Huwag mo gugupitin, ilalagay rito. Kasi nandito yung kamay mo, delikado.
Tapos dito.
Yes. Go. Be careful, ha?
1, 2, 3. Uwi ako na.
Oh, sige. Ayan yung unang cut niya. Hindi siya pantay. And then, pangalawang trial.
Look at
Ayan
this.
na.
Wow.
And then, pangatlong trial. Almost perfect.
Oh yes.
Thick.
Oh.
Almost done.
Uy, galing na. Pantay na.
Oh no.
Oo.
Oh no. Careful.
Careful. Diba sabi ni mami, pag magkakat ka, yung kamay mo lagi nandito, yung gunting nandito. Huwag yung kamay mo nasa malapit sa gunting, ha?
Oo.
Okay.
Oo, hindi ganyan.
Done na.
O, ikot mo ngayon yung paper. Ikot mo yung paper. Ikot. Yan. O, yung kamay mo dito. Dito lagi sa ano. Yan.
Para di na kunin.
Oo, para hindi ka magunting. Hindi masugat yung kamay mo. Kailangan nasa dulo lagi yung kamay. Ha?
Oo.
Okay ba yun, Aaron?
Yes. Yes, Mommy.
Oo. Stick it here, okay?
Okay.
Sabihin mo yung living things. Give to mommy, living things. Tingin? Is that living things?
Yes.
Okay, put here. Yung living things. Next. What's that?
Living things.
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 Put here.
Okay, beside the cat is... Oh my gosh, she almost dog.
Next. What's that?
Living things.
Living things. O, saan ang living things lalagay? Okay? Next. Living things, not living things. Okay?
Okay.
Next. What's that?
It's living things.
Okay, living things. Saan lalagay?
Dito.
Next.
Not living
Isa lang, isa-isa.
Not living
Things.
things.
Saan lalagay not living things? Not living, okay. Next.
Charlie.
Si Charlie.
Living things.
Okay, saan?
Dito.
Next.
Horse.
Ano yan?
Living things.
Okay. Next.
Dolphin. Living things.
Okay. Next. Ang dami atang living things, ha?
Next, it's living things.
Ano ba yan?
It's a girl.
Girl, a human. Okay. Next.
Not living things.
Ano ba yan?
Saw blade.
Next.
Birdhouse, it's not.
Birdhouse, dog house, cat house. Ano yan?
And not living things.
Okay.
Not living things.
Not living things. A drum.
A frog. Living things.
Okay.
A rock. Not
Tingin.
living things.
Is that a rock?
Yes. Human.
Human. Is that?
Umbrella human with your jacket. Living things.
Living things.
Nice.
Okay, ngayon ang gagawin natin. So, nakaseparate na siya.
I won!
Okay.
Yellow.
Stick it here.
Yes. Not living things.
Not living things. Sige nga daw, pakita mo kay mami yung buo.
Wait, yung question.
Not living things. And then, this one.
It's living things.
It's living things. Hawak mo parehas. Pakita mo nga siya to mami, the living things. Saan ang living things? Saan dyan ang living things? Saan dyan ang living things? Living things. Ayun. Saan ang non-living things? Ayun. Very good. Yay! Okay, done na ang baby Aaron natin. Saan dyan ang living things? There. Saan ang non-living things? There. Patingin nga. Pakita mo kay mami. Yeah. Yay. Very good. Good night na. Good night.
Bye.